Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today, guys, I'm gonna be making some Valentine's special. Yes, because we are approaching Valentine's Day. So guys, I have all the ingredients over here. Let's get straight into it, guys. So all the ingredients, measurements, methods, the link will be in the description box down below, so check it out. Yes, guys, it's Valentine's, and when we hear Valentine's, we always think of red and white and pink. But today I'm here to show you guys how you can make your Valentine's extra special and different with some amazing colorful goodies and some beautiful, breathtaking chocolate coated strawberries and this vibrant, colorful heart in it, Valentine's cake. Yes, guys, you can make your Valentine's extra special, guys, by doing this. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much. Look at these strawberries, guys. They are so rich in red, very sweet, guys. So now I'm preparing my chocolate for the strawberries. It's time, guys, to get these strawberries dressed up. And guys, if you're still here, please do remember to share this video out, like the video, guys. Thank you so much. Yummy, yummy strawberries. Look at those strawberries, guys. Wow, oh my, I can't wait to dig in. Some sweet strawberries covered with chocolate. Wow. Yes, guys, this is the cake of the day. Yes, this amazing, vibrant Valentine's cake. Wow. Oh my, look guys, so colorful, so pretty. Look at these delicious goodies. Wow, look at the colors, guys. Oh my, they are so beautiful. Yes, it's a colorful Valentine's, guys. We are bringing it up a notch today. Yes, it's not only about red and white and pink. Check out these colors. Wow, look at these strawberries, guys. Oh my. Wow. Guys, if you're still here in this video, drop some likes. Drop some likes, guys. Oh my gosh. Look, guys. Wow. Happy Valentine's to you all. Yes, guys, enjoy. Guys, and if you're still here, please drop some colorful hearts in the comment section, guys. Flood it with hearts, colorful hearts, guys. Thank you so much. Beautiful thing, guys. Oh my. So let us make our Valentine's vibrant with colorful goodies like these. Spread love, guys. Spread love all over. Not only on Valentine's Day, every day, all times. Spread love. Show kindness, show gratitude. Yes, guys, it will come back to you. It's a beautiful thing to be kind. It's a beautiful thing to be thankful and remember God in all your doings. Yes, guys, thank you so much again for your support. Thanks a lot. And I welcome all my new friends, all my new members. I appreciate you all. And big up to my viewing public. Thank you guys so much. And to everyone who shared my videos, thank you guys so much. And don't forget to drop me some comments and my colorful hearts. Thanks a lot, guys. end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful video. Thank you guys so much. Take care of yourselves and remember to be kind to yourself. Love upon yourself so you will know how to show love and kindness to others. Walk good, guys. Take care. Bye.